Knotend is a flowchart editor designed for speed. You can use your arrow keys to navigate around this grid here. If I select the first node and then hit Tab, I'll get a child. Let's go back to that first node and hit Tab again. You'll see Knotend just automatically finds a cell for it to go in. And the whole point of this is so that you're not manually readjusting things pixel by pixel. You're just using this grid, and Knotend's kind of smart and finds a good position for your nodes. You can also move nodes around if you hold the Option key and then use your arrow keys. You can move nodes around to make some extra space here. And you can multi-select and add a new node from two other nodes. You can multi-select and move nodes around at the same time. Most things you can do with your keyboard, you can also do with your mouse. You can make selections, you can move nodes around, select edges, add new nodes by double clicking. All your data is saved in your browser on disk on your computer. So if you open this share button here, you can get a URL, and this URL contains all of the information of your graph encoded in this long string here. So it's basically making a copy, so you can send this to somebody else or open this in a different browser, and you'll have a copy of your graph that you can edit over there. Give it a try at knotend.com. It's free to use.